Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Mr. TechFox. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Google search shortcut on your desktop for quick and easy access to the world's most popular search engine. If you find this tip useful, please subscribe for more tech advice. Alright, first of all, open your web browser and navigate to www.google.com. So I'm gonna open the Google Chrome browser. So I'm typing here Chrome on the start menu and clicking on enter. And now we have to type here google.com. Press enter. After then, you will see a three-dot icon on the top right corner. Normally click on that and you will see some options here. Normally hover over, cast, save and share. And here you will see an option to create a shortcut. Normally click on that and click on create. Now it will automatically create a shortcut on your desktop. Normally, if you click on this shortcut, it will automatically redirect you to google.com and you can easily search from here. And that's it. You have created a Google search shortcut on your desktop, making it easier than ever to start searching with just a click. I hope you find this tip helpful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Mr. TechFox for more straightforward tech tutorials. Allah Hafiz.